Today, we will be talking about a topic that is significant for ShoppyDeals.co.uk as an e-commerce marketplace, the unreliable review system on TrustPilot.com, specifically for unclaimed business profiles. We've noticed that TrustPilot compliance team allows individuals to post reviews on e-commerce websites without verifying if they are actual customers, leading to potentially inaccurate information being shared on the platform. One of the main problems we see with TrustPilot is the possibility of leaving a review without actually being a customer. Although this may seem to be a guarantee of the authenticity of the reviews, it is crucial to ask who is really writing these reviews. Indeed, there are malicious people, detractors, or even competitors who can tarnish a company's image by publishing misleading reviews. This situation creates a negative circle of misinformation, calling into question the integrity of the reviews on TrustPilot.com. As you can see, our rating would be drastically different if a real customer verification system was in place to ensure that only real experiences are posted. Several recent studies have shown that the vast majority of satisfied customers do not spontaneously leave a review on the internet unless they are asked to do so. TrustPilot states that there are 76 reviews and a low score for an unclaimed profile on ShoppyDeals.co.uk page out of over 11,000 orders registered by the marketplace during the evaluation period. However, many of these reviews are fake, and the majority of positive ShoppyDeals reviews have been fraudulently removed by TrustPilot's integrity team. What's more, TrustPilot asks companies to pay to solicit their customers and ask them to leave a review by email. This policy is not only undemocratic, as it favors the big brands with the financial means to pay, but it also raises ethical questions about the platform's neutrality. TrustPilot does not reflect reality regarding ShoppyDeals review. It is essential to note that TrustPilot does not always reflect reality, particularly when a brand refuses to pay the fees imposed by the platform. There are many examples of respected brands that are rated very poorly on TrustPilot, even though their reputation and reliability are beyond reproach. For example, Adidas, a very well-known brand, only gets 1.5 stars out of 5 on TrustPilot. The same goes for Patagonia, Nike, Amazon, Netflix, and a whole host of other world-famous brands. See for yourself, you'll be surprised. These cases highlight the limits of the reliability of reviews on this platform for brands that refuse to submit to their policy and pay for their canvassing services. The judge determined the meanings of each of the reviews in turn and found that all 20 of the meanings found were defamatory in nature. Accordingly, in determining whether the statement complained of in one review is defamatory of the claimant at common law, all other reviews on the TrustPilot website are irrelevant. This is likely to take a laborious review of the circumstances leading to each of the reviews being posted. In summary, ShoppyDeals, a well-established marketplace, frequently faces criticism from those who fail to grasp our concept and operations. However, it is important to mention that even though ShoppyDeals encountered difficulties, their initial positive review on TrustPilot showed their dedication. Unfortunately, TrustPilot team members started removing authentic positive reviews and replacing them with fake negative reviews from unidentified sources, as it was seen as more advantageous for their company interest. We discovered that defamatory content was originating from within TrustPilot. The result of this policy is that only brands that pay TrustPilot can hope to obtain an attractive rating.